everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making steamed garlic prawns with vermicelli noodles. This recipe is perfect for 4 to 6 people. To start off, you will need to soak some vermicelli noodles in hot water for around 10 minutes. Butterfly cut the king prawns and remove the veins. After 10 minutes, give the noodles a mix to make sure they're all soaked through, then put a lid on for a further 2 minutes. Now moving on to the sauce. Prepare lots of garlic, lots of ginger and some chilli. Heat up some oil and then start stir frying half the garlic, all the ginger and all the chilies. Hold on to half the garlic to mix in later. Once they're fragrant, add in 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Once the sauce is done, mix in the remaining garlic. Drain and rinse the vermicelli noodles under cold water and then put them on a plate. Stuff the prawns with the garlic sauce and then place them on top of the vermicelli noodles. As these king prawns are bigger than normal, I've steamed them for 10 minutes on high heat. For smaller prawns, 5 minutes will do. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of soya sauce all over and then garnish with spring onions and coriander. And that's how I make steamed garlic prawns with vermicelli noodles. Thanks for watching!